Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about parts of a simple C program, part of programming in C course. A simple C program typically has the following parts. Preprocessor directives. These are lines of the code that begins with hash and are used to include libraries and define constants. The preprocessor directives are processed before the program is compiled. Functions. A C program is made up of one or more functions. The main function is the starting point of the program and is where the program's execution begins. Variables. Variables are used to store data in a C program. They are declared with a specific data type and have a name that is used to refer to them. Statements. Statements are the instructions that make up the program. They can be used to perform operations, control the flow of the program, and more. Comments. Comments are lines of the text that are ignored by the compiler and are used to explain the code. Comments are useful for making the code more readable and understandable. Here is an example of a simple C program. The first line is the preprocessor directive that includes the standard input and output library. The main function is the starting point of the program and is where the program's execution begins. The printf function is used to print a string of text to the screen. The return 0 statement is used to indicate that the main function has completed successfully. The comments are used to explain the purpose of the program. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.